This is a very interesting problem. We have two vectors u and v in 3 dimensions with magnitudes 1 and 3 respectively, and whose dot product is u dot v. With this data, we would like to compute the magnitude of the vector u cross v. Now, the idea behind this exercise is that there is a very nice relation that includes all the quantities that we see right here. In fact, this relation reads as follows. The magnitude of the cross product square plus the dot product square, that's a number, remember that the dot product is a number, is equal to the product of the squares of the magnitudes of the two vectors. And how do we get this? Why is this true? Well, recall that the cross product has magnitude equal to the product of the magnitudes times the sine of the angle between the two vectors. So if this is u, this is v, originating at the same point, and the angle between them is theta, then that is true for the magnitude. And also remember that u dot v is simply magnitude of u times magnitude of v times cosine theta. If we actually take the squares of these two quantities, we will get that u cross v square plus u dot v square is equal to u square magnitude of u square times magnitude of v square times sine square of theta plus magnitude of u square times magnitude of v square times cosine square of theta. And of course, you have magnitude of u square times magnitude of v square times sine square of theta plus cosine square of theta, which is 1 by the Pythagorean theorem. So this is simply. So if we take advantage of this relation, then we will have an equation where everything is known with the exception of the magnitude of u cross v. And that's how we're going to solve this exercise. So let's solve it. So we will have that u cross v square plus u dot v square is equal to u squared times, or magnitude of u squared times magnitude of v squared. And this will give us that the magnitude of u cross v square plus u dot v is 2, right? So plus 2 square is equal to 1 square times 3 square. So we will have that u cross v square plus 4 is equal to 9, or u cross v squared is equal to 5, or u cross v is equal to square root of 5. And that's it. That's our final answer. That's the simple way that this problem is solved. Thanks for watching.